Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Claremont, local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing a reliable and cheap Claremont moving company shouldn't be stressful. When you hire 3 movers, you get the right moving team for your needs. We handle local and long-distance moves for commercial and residential customers. Even if you just need to move one very heavy or large item, our team is ready to help. Moving across the country or just one state over can be rather stressful. You'll have plenty of new things to get used to, and moving days shouldn't be a hassle. With the right long-distance movers, you can make moving days seem like a breeze. Our long-distance movers take away the stress for you. We offer all the basic moving services along with packing and unpacking, always on time and transparent pricing. When you need a California moving company, you want professionals ready to help you. The right moving company can save you time and get you settled in very fast. Plus, you won't have to do any heavy lifting or try to find someone to help you with the larger items. Hiring professional moving company like 3 Movers will streamline your moving process. A local move might seem simple, but you still have to pack up, load up, move, unload, and unpack everything. Even if you have a very large move you need completed, we can get it done in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Claremont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.